Mecca Mukarramah. Zoom out. Find North America. It is right here. Align it in a way where you can see a straight path from it, which is where we kind of align it to the horizontal of the screen. You can see that the direction from North America to Saudi Arabia is northeast, right? The way that you faced, the straight direction is northeast. Now, yes, it's a curve. If I turn it this way, you know, if people say if it's a straight direction, you're looking up into space, but, you know, realistically, the way we point is we point to the horizon below which or preceding which our intended direction or thing that we want to point to would be, right? So obviously, yes, if you point upward, we understand that we live on a sphere. So really when you point upward, you're really pointing to the things that you're directing to that curve along the Earth's surface along that direction. Yes, the most straight direction from North America to Saudi Arabia would be down that way through the sphere of the Earth. But of course, we're talking practically, we point in the direction where the thing that we intend to face is along the curvature of the Earth in that direction. The Qibla, the way we face in North America, is northeast.